Honestly, one of the shoes of the year 2022 for me, Joe Freshgoods New Balance. These go crazy. An all-time grail, Travis Scott ones, just a classic. Since we got the highs, we got the lows as well. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's Zach here with Tamster's Kicks. We are just moving into a new place actually, so I did one of these little setup videos a while ago. It was like an IKEA kind of shoe room that I did, but I'm making a new one as I moved into a new place, so I decided I'm gonna make another video today. Got a lot more shoes than I had back then. Getting a new setup for videos, better stuff to film for the future, so that's what we're doing today. So I'm gonna show you guys some of my little setup, things I do, and yep, let's get it. So we got all that closet done. We got some of the shoes. We got a ton here. There's still some more out there in the main room, but I got a new thing. We got these little shoe boxes. Found them on Amazon. Got them for Christmas actually. But we're gonna get some of those set up as well, as I still have my shoe shelves. Some other accessories too we'll get up in the room too, but we're gonna start building these things because this took me like 10 minutes to make, so. I got my record stuff right here. I think I'm gonna put one of these up on the wall. Got these bad boys in here now too. Got them all cleaned off. They're ready. We're gonna get that set up here for the videos. Gonna get a table. I have my Supreme chair, it's out there. I don't really know what I'm doing with these ones yet. I might line them up against the window. Might put them on that side, I don't know. But next step, we are sorting what shoes I'm gonna put up here on my display, what ones I'm gonna put in the little boxes. And then I already have some of the daily beaters here. I might do like a basketball shelf up there with the same kind of stack, but I'm not sure yet because I don't know what I want to display on there. So alright, I think I limited down the ones I want to put on the shelf. I'm gonna go through them real quick. We got the Grinches. One of my Grail hoop shoes right here. We got Cool Gray 11s. Another one of my favorites. I love the lows when they came out, and when they said they were gonna make the normal retro, I had to get these ones. Honestly, one of the shoes of the year 2022 for me, Joe Freshgoods New Balance. These go crazy. An all-time grail, Travis Scott ones, just a classic. Since we got the highs, we got the lows as well. Then we're getting to some Alma Maniers. We got the ones, we got the threes. Then a very fresh pair, I haven't even decided if I'm keeping them yet. We got the fours as well. Let me know what you think about the fours. I like them. I wish I would have kept the aged look like the ones and the threes and the twos, but pretty fire. Then we got one of the throwback shoes that I really loved when they first came out. Obsidians. Kind of started the Jordan 1 hype, honestly, but there's three more that can fit up there. We got Lost and Founds from this year. Had to get a Chicago style pair up there. Lost and Founds, super clean pair. And then we have a pack that I recently acquired in a trade because I had to get these ones. This is the box, it's massive. It is a Kobe pack. It's the Kobe 5 Undefeated pack. We got these bad boys, Lucky 13s, and the Unlucky 12s. Crazy shoes. These ones go nuts, but I'm a big Kobe guy. These ones gotta go up there too. So we finished the shoe boxes. I had to put the Travis 270s up here. instead of the Obsidians, because the 270s don't fit in the box. But we got undefeateds, some ones, some lows, little wave runners, a couple other ones in here. But yeah, we finally finished that, so that's nice. Well, we got some more of our stuff set up in here. Little update. Shoes up there. Got some of the stuff laid out I want. Supreme chair, picture, vinyls ready to go there. I put my shoes in the crates. I think I'm gonna line them up against the window like that. Maybe put like a skate deck on top. I got this little rug from Turkey. It's a Turkish rug when I used to live there. Gonna probably put that over there. Well, the setup is basically complete. I'm gonna figure out how to get these, probably on the wall. I don't know what I'm doing with this stand yet, but this is the vinyl setup. I might put some records up on the wall and shelves too. Got the shoes there. And then I just need my desk. It comes in on Thursday, but then we'll have that right there for the setup. Shoes, Supreme chair, little picture there. And then I had these lights in it last time. They go under the shelf, shine on the shoes, but I need new batteries, so that's it. But we'll update you when the table or the desk comes in on Thursday, and hopefully that will be it. The desk finally arrived, so we're gonna set this bad boy up and clean up a little more things, and basically the room is done. But I'm gonna throw something on the vinyl right now. Alright, so we basically finished the setup in here. I'm just waiting on my vinyl shelves. They still haven't come yet, so I think the final plan, I'll try to give an updated thing once it comes in, but some vinyl's there. Gonna get probably a deck hung up there, and then that's the setup here. We got the desk in. Got my little Kith anniversary magazine. Pretty sick. Set up in there. Hoop shoes in there, and then some more shoes there. Little Funko guys too. Yeah, that's basically the setup. I just wanted to end the video and not wait for my stuff to come in really, because I'm just trying to get some more videos posted, some more shoe reviews, stuff like that. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about the room. New setup. Let's go. See you on the next one.